10 crazy facts about Coca-Cola. You didn't know. You've seen it in every store, on every table, and in nearly every country. But how well do you really know Coca-Cola? In this video, we're diving into 10 facts about Coke that are guaranteed to surprise you. Let's pop the cap on some fizzy truth. Fact 1. Medicine origins. Coca-Cola wasn't originally a soft drink. It was invented in 1886 by pharmacist John Pemberton as a cure for headaches, fatigue, and even morphine addiction. Fact 2. Cocaine content. And yes, the original formula contained actual cocaine from coca leaf extract. It wasn't removed until 1929. Wild, right? Fact 3. Secret recipe. Only 2 people at a time are allowed to know Coca-Cola's full recipe. It's so secret, they're never allowed to travel on the same plane. That's some next-level protection. Fact 4. First sale. The very first glass of Coke sold for just 5 cents at a local pharmacy soda fountain in Atlanta. Fact 5. Global reach. Coca-Cola is sold in over 200 countries, more than the number of UN member nations. It's said that you're never more than a few miles away from a bottle of Coke. Fact 6. Coca-Cola and Santa. The modern image of Santa, red suit, white beard, jolly smile, was popularized by Coca-Cola ads in the 1930s. Before that, Santa wore all kinds of colors. Fact 7. Coke in space. In 1985, Coca-Cola became the first soda in space. NASA astronauts drank it aboard the Space Shuttle Challenger, using a special space can designed to handle zero gravity. Fact 8. Coca-Cola's brand power. Coca-Cola is one of the most recognized brands in the world, with over 90% global logo recognition. That's more than McDonald's, Apple, even the Christian Cross. Fact 9. 500-plus brands owned. The Coca-Cola Company doesn't just make Coke. It owns more than 500 brands, including Sprite, Fanta, Dasani, Minute Maid, and Costa Coffee. Fact 10. 2 countries without Coke. There are only 2 countries where Coca-Cola isn't officially sold: North Korea and Cuba, due to long-standing U.S. trade sanctions. So next time you crack open a Coke, just remember, you're holding over a century of wild history. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more weird facts and world-famous brands.